Hello everyone and welcome to the Investing Iguana channel where I share my insights on the best stocks to buy and sell. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite airlines in the world, Singapore Airlines or SIA for short. I recently upgraded SIA stock from hold to buy and I want to explain why I think this is a great opportunity to invest in a high-quality company that is well positioned for the post-pandemic era. SIA is not just an airline, it is a global brand that represents excellence, innovation, and customer satisfaction. It has consistently ranked among the top airlines in the world for its service quality, safety standards, and operational efficiency. It has also won numerous awards for its in-flight entertainment, catering, and cabin crew. SIA has a loyal customer base that values its premium products and services. It has a strong presence in key markets such as China, India, Southeast Asia, Europe, and Australia. It also has a diversified revenue stream that includes cargo, engineering, loyalty programs, and regional subsidiaries. SIA has a strong balance sheet that allows it to weather the storm of the pandemic and invest in its future growth. It has raised over 20 billion Singapore dollars in liquidity through various sources such as rights issues, bonds, loans, and asset sales. It has also reduced its operating costs by cutting capacity, deferring aircraft deliveries, and streamlining its workforce. In February 2023, SIA posted a record quarterly and 9-month profit of 628 million Singapore dollars and 1.4 billion Singapore dollars respectively, driven by a strong recovery in passenger demand and cargo revenue. SIA also increased its group capacity to an average of 77% of pre-pandemic levels in the fourth quarter. In February 2023, SIA also announced a partnership with Scoot, its low-cost subsidiary, to offer more options for travelers and expand its network. Scoot introduced smaller jets such as the Airbus A320neo and the Boeing 737-800 to serve destinations that are not viable for larger aircraft. This allows SIA to tap into new markets and increase its connectivity. In March 2023, SIA also launched a series of aviation courses for undergraduates and pilots in collaboration with the Singapore University of Social Sciences, SUS. The courses aim to equip students with relevant skills and knowledge for the aviation industry and provide career opportunities for pilots who want to pursue further education. In March 2023, SIA rolled out complimentary unlimited in-flight Wi-Fi for all business class customers, as well as its PPS Club members and PPS Club supplementary cardholders. In addition, KrisFlyer members now enjoy free 3-hour Wi-Fi plans when traveling in premium economy class and free 2-hour Wi-Fi plans when traveling in economy class. This is part of SIA's efforts to enhance its customer experience and loyalty. SIA has a strategic partnership with Tata Group that will give it access to the Indian market, which is one of the fastest-growing aviation markets in the world. SIA owns 49% of Vistara, a full-service carrier that operates domestic and international flights from India. Vistara is set to merge with Air India, which Tata Group recently acquired from the government. This will create a dominant player in the Indian market with a combined market share of over 30%. Of course, SIA is not without its challenges. It faces rising fuel costs, which account for about 25% of its total expenses. It also faces geopolitical uncertainties, such as the tensions between China and Taiwan, which could affect its flights to both destinations. It also faces regulatory hurdles, such as travel restrictions and quarantine requirements, which could hamper its recovery prospects. However, I believe that these challenges are manageable and outweighed by the opportunities that SIA has. I think that SIA is well prepared for the post-pandemic era and will benefit from the pent-up demand for travel and tourism. I think that SIA has a competitive edge over its rivals in terms of its brand value, customer loyalty, network strength, and financial flexibility. That's why I've given SIA stock a target price of 6 Singapore dollars and 50 cents, which implies a 14% upside potential from the current level of 5 Singapore dollars and 70 cents. I think that this is a reasonable valuation based on its historical multiples and its expected earnings growth. I think that SIA stock is a buy for long-term investors who are looking for a high-quality company with strong recovery prospects. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel for more stock analysis. If you have any questions or comments about SIA stock or any other stocks that you want me to cover, please leave them below and I will try to answer them as soon as possible.